The health benefits of celery are magnified when you juice celery. Let's make some celery juice. I'm Nora. Celery juice is best if you drink it right away. It's also best if you drink it first thing in the morning to detoxify your system. If you want to keep celery juice in your refrigerator, I would only keep it 24 hours because the benefits go way down the longer that you keep it in the refrigerator. So drink it right away. Let's make some celery juice. Again, this is one of my mono juices. I'm using 100% celery for this juice. Of course, with any other vegetable, you wash the vegetables. I do cut the ends off. For the juicer, I do cut my celery in pieces. So as you can see, it will come better through the juicer if you cut it into pieces. Especially for my slow masticating juicer. If I do the whole stalk, all the stringy parts get stuck in the juicer, and I don't like that. So I do cut the celery. Let me tell you a couple great things about celery juice. It's a wonderful anti-inflammatory. They have lots of mineral salts in celery, and it's a lot water. Celery has so much component of water. That mixed together, believe it or not, it's really wonderful if you have a thyroid issue. And also if you have Epstein-Barr, this drink is a wonderful drink to have every morning when you wake up. And the reason you have it every morning when you wake up is because it's great for your digestive system. So it's cleansing out your gut. It also cleanses through your liver. It's a very simple juice. I'm using celery, I juice it, I drink it. Drink it right away to get your best benefits. So let's start this juicer. As you can see, as it contains mostly water, it's going to liquefy really quickly, which I love too, so I don't have to add anything to it. Some people find celery juice as a rather strong juice when you make it solo like this. I personally love it because I can feel it. As soon as I drink it, I feel the benefits almost immediately. Again, very cleansing to your stomach, your gut, and it also is a very fresh feeling. You feel really fresh in the morning to have this right away. It really starts your day off quite peaceful and really lovely. So I definitely recommend this in the morning. So look how much juice. This just pours juice out. It's pretty intense. It's a good intense, but it's pretty intense, this celery juice. And as you can see, I also, when I juice, I keep all of these beautiful top green leafies in there as well. Super high minerals and vitamins in all of this green on the top. So I definitely juice that as well. Not just the stalks, also the greens. I also like the color of this juice. It's a rather light green, so it doesn't have, of course, that dark leafy like you would if you had a kale juice in here or a spinach added to it. So I kind of like this light green color. It's really great for the senses. In yoga, green is a very peaceful color, calming color. So I think that actually aids to this cleansing of the celery juice because it's so calming, you just cleanse your body out with the celery. So again, look how much celery juice I have and look how much pulp I have. It's wringing out every ounce of water from the celery, so I hardly have any waste. There's like no waste, actually. It's all the juice. And again, the benefits are really high in this juice. Some fruits and vegetables, you get more vitamins and minerals when you actually juice them. And this definitely is the case with celery juice. It's pretty amazing. You can really visualize and see it with your eyes that you're getting every ounce of the celery in your body when you drink this. It would be very difficult for me to sit down and eat a whole bunch of this celery. But I can juice a whole bunch of celery. And since this is one of our mono juices, 100% celery, You want to start a little bit slower, say 8 ounce to 16 ounce. You can always increase that, but I want your system to get used to it first. So start a little bit on the lighter side and then start adding your ounces as you start having this regular. So we're gonna try our beautiful celery juice. Woo. Look at that beautiful green. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Smells like a celery house in here right now. Gonna give it a try. Oh, I tell you, this is one of the smoothest juices that I drink that's only one vegetable. It's very silky smooth when you drink it, and I can tell you it's pretty immediate on your digestive system. So again, start with 8 to 16 ounces. Do it a few days in a row. I'm gonna challenge you to do this celery juice a few days in a row, and you will see an incredible difference in your body, in your skin, and in the calmness in your mind. Try it.